And the second point, I remember, that's from some statement. The second point was in a purport somewhere, I remember. Prabhupada said, he said, what is intelligence? And intelligence is the form, direction of the super soul. The form, direction. Do you understand what this means? The super soul, just like SMS, you might say, like if you send me some question, I say, I want your instructions on something. So I type a message in SMS and I send it to you. So when you get the SMS, you can read it, my answer, my instructions. So you can say the SMS is the form of the instruction of Maharaj. Yes? Or I write you a letter. Or you wrote me a letter, here's my instructions. Do number 1, and number 2, number 3. Like a doctor, you send a doctor a letter. Why have this disease? What do you recommend? Okay, he writes back a letter, 1, 2, 3. So intelligence is the form direction. That's why I said that the direction will come from intelligence. Discrimination comes from intelligence. And that's how we make our decisions, based on the intelligence linked with the super soul. And how do you link the intelligence with the super soul? Through Shastra, through Sadhu. Intelligence is the foreign direction of the super soul. So our intelligence becomes saturated with spiritual knowledge and spiritual kripa and the mercy of Krishna, then we can take a proper decision. And it may fail, because Krishna wants it to fail. Even Krishna tells us the right, Krishna through Shastra or through Guru or Sadhu, he tells us. There's where he'll tell us, not through the mind. I don't know if it's my mind, it's nothing. It's just nothing. It's just not the super soul. Super soul speak through the Shastras and understand what the Shastras and what the super soul are saying. You should confirm it with Guru and Sadhu, and then take your decision with their input and their kripa and their insight and explanation.